Good morning. Ken just cleaned the tent last night. I'm gonna show you the grapes. It's getting bigger. And I cannot wait to try it. Sana mag-ano siya, no? Full-grown grapes. Yay, our tent is clean. Sumabit agad. Nagtanggol siya.
Kinapitan niya? O what?
Juan, baka. Galing ah.
Kumapit siya agad?
Baka.
Galing naman.
Galing
Sabi mo
naman.
siya dun sa...
You're supposed to be here, my dear.
Ano, ang daming grapes eh. Niligan mo parati oh. Oh,
Ah, naligan natin. Oh, hilaw pa yan.
Niligan ko ngayon kagabi.
Ah, you did.
Good job.
Yeah, I know. Grape picking in your own backyard. Where? Wow.
Ba't last year hindi siya tumubo?
Last year, oo. Ewan ko lang. I don't know why. Yep, there's more.
Let's make a red wine.
Red wine. Marami pa rito. Sa baba. There's lots.
Look at that. Grapes everywhere.
Oh, so many. Yay!
Kailangan
Diligan
pa
natin.
Right, patulin.
Ay, wag! Baka may tumubong grapes dyan. The package arrived today. I'm excited!
Just excited. What's inside it? Hey, look, there's designs here.
Wow!
Bible! Open it, open it. Oh!
Saan mo yung
Hey, we have Christmas
Pakihanap, pakihanap.
tree. This is the one I wish. The Christmas present.
Really?
Yeah. It is. See? Oh, what's this?
Oh, helicopter! It's mine!
Yeah. See? Yes.
Baka na dito.
From CE.
Pakicheck nga. Baka nandun.
Do you hear the music sing?
And this is for you, Mommy.
Oh, yeah. Wow, nice.
Nice.
Whoa! Love it.
Oh, what's this? It's for Mommy's present, right?
That's very nice. Oh, that's mine.
Can we see this?
Wow, nice. This is gift from CE.
Thank you, CE.
Hi, it's not yours. It's for Shati.
Thank you, CE.
Wait. How about yours? Do you like it?
Yeah.
What is that?
Wow. Hi, we're out to have coffee and snack because we didn't eat lunch today. Bakit ba? Because we had late breakfast. That's why. Now I'm so hungry.
You don't want? You don't want the brownie?
Is it good, guys? Thank you, Aj. I wanna try these brownies. Oh, it's cold.
Let Daddy try it.
Is it yummy, Shati?
We have our coffee on a takeaway cup because they're closing soon. So also our food is on a takeaway container. Burgers for the kids
Shati!
because we didn't have enough food at the Black Betty because they're closing. That's why we ate in a flash and I had tummy ache now. I ate too fast. It was good though, and they have organic coffee. And now we are here at Burger King. Kids will have burgers first. Ay nako.
Oh, I will control it, okay, Shadi? I will control it, okay?
You first and then me and then Shotty.
Okay.
Go! Drop, drop.
Wait, no.
I'm gonna get big.
Ooh. Give me one more.
No.
Accept defeat.
No. That's enough. Enough for you, Daddy.
I'm gonna give you a big toy.
No, I'm gonna just buy what I want.
I'm gonna give you the biggest toy. That's
No.
Mickey Mouse toy.
No,
Give me
thanks.
$2. Give me $2.
No.
Uppercut.
Huh? Like this?
Double punch.
Whoa.
This box.
Do you wanna be a boxer?
No.
No?
My turn.
Wow. That's strong punch, Shorty. Whoa.
Double punch.
Wow. Straight jab.
Uppercut.
Whoa. Wow. Tired? Napagod. This one looks comfy. Is it? Folding bed.
I can do that slowly. Hi. Hi. Hello. Quite a nice time. Daddy and Shotty went to poo-poo. Shotty's the one to poo-poo. Tawing.
Hi, Ash.
Hi.
We're at the Westfield Mall.
Huh?
We are at Westfield Mall.
Westfield Mall.
Yes. Waiting for Shati.
Keep poo-pooing.
Yeah. Wow, what are you coloring? Come on, guys. Hi, Daddy.
Pizza delivery from Adventure Pizza from Miss Chatterbox. Helicopter. It can
Careful, don't step on it, please.
It's a real fly. This way.
They're playing the small helicopter that was given to Jaden by his auntie, my sister. Wow, that's cool.
Okay. Bye, Good night. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
I'm gonna say
Good night.
goodbye for now. So, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Night, night.
Night. Night. Night.